Hey there, and welcome to Patio Productions. Grab your shades because today we're talking about refreshing your outdoor pool lounge chairs for swim season. Spring and summer are the perfect times to give your poolside setup a little refresh. Whether you're working with existing chairs that need some help or shopping for brand new loungers, I've got you covered with tips on styles, materials, maintenance, and more. The first thing you should do is see what you're working with. So take a look at your current lounge chairs. Are the frames still in good shape? A thorough cleaning and some new cushions might be all you need for a fresh new look. But if those chairs are beyond repair, great. It's the perfect excuse to treat yourself to some luxurious new loungers. Think about the vibe you want: sleek and modern, classic and elegant, or laid back and comfy. And don't forget features like adjustable backrests and built-in drink trays. Comfort is king, people. You'll also want to consider the materials for those new lounge chairs. And these days you've got a lot of great options: durable cast aluminum, low-maintenance composite wood, or naturally weather-resistant teak. We rank the top materials for outdoor furniture over on our blog. I'll drop a link to that below. Now let's talk accessories. New cushions and pillows are an easy way to completely transform the look of your lounge chairs. Go for fade-resistant outdoor fabrics in fun colors and patterns. And while you're at it, rearrange your chairs to create cozy conversation areas or the perfect sunset viewing spot. Of course, if you invest in quality loungers, a little regular cleaning will keep your chairs looking great all season, for years to come. Just brush off the dirt and debris, wash the frames and cushions every few weeks, and store everything in a dry, clean space during the off-season. And that's it. Your recipe for the perfect poolside paradise. For even more tips and inspiration, head to patioproductions.com. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for our full guide on refreshing your pool vibe for the swim season. Thanks for watching, and happy lounging.